Okay, my friends, so what you're looking at here is a first row Wordle tester to test our little theory about finding or not a theory, I guess, an idea of which is the best word to start with. So I'm going to, as an example, I'm going to use the word I always start with in Wordle, which is ad. So I'm going to put A-D, I-E-U. Okay, so now you might have noticed as I started typing that, the letter A turned green. And the reason for that is this spreadsheet is testing my word against a word that could be the solution of Wordle. So you'll see that down here in row 5. It's the Wordle of the day. If anybody's interested, I think I stumbled upon the entire dictionary of the words that Wordle uses in its puzzles. It's in the second tab down here called Words, if you want to poke in there and look. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use that dictionary of words and test my starting word against all possible Wordle solution words. Now there's a little counter over here in cell B3. Alphabetically, the first possible solution for Wordle is aback. You can see it right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to then let Excel cycle through all possible Wordle words. Ready for this? Here we go. Okay, there it goes. What it's doing, and you can see it as it's thinking here. It's checking my ad versus all possible Wordles that could exist. So you can see sometimes the little cells light up yellow, sometimes they light up green, and sometimes they're just gray. If they're gray, that means none of the letters in my word are actually in the actual Wordle word. Okay, it's done. The last alphabetical Wordle possibility is zonal. I think I actually got that one a few months ago, actually. Okay, now that was cool, but it doesn't really tell us anything because it went by really fast. So if you scroll over to this part of the spreadsheet, you'll notice that I had Excel keeping track of all the results as they went through one at a time. So currently, you'll see there's a little column here that says current. There are no green cells, there is one yellow cell, and there are 4 gray cells. That's because ad only shares that A with zonal. But cumulatively, there were 746 total green cells, meaning I got letters in the correct place in the solution word. 746 total. 2,693 total yellow cells and 8,136 gray cells. So that's the word I start with. As you read on the rest of this question, I'm going to have you complete that next little cell over there in N. And then I'm going to have you test some other words. So read on, friends.